tricky.
Yeah, this little guy, this is the iRay E3n. This is one of their entry-level spotters. Forms the i1 series. So they have the E2, which is a 12mm lens, and we have this one, which is the E3. And this is a 384 sensor, has a 19mm front lens. And we'll notice as we go through all of the spotters that they all have the same button layout as well. We've got a built-in battery, which gives a runtime of about 7 hours. And a cool feature at the front is this torch, which is great for trying to help find your quarry when you come to pick it up. Now, this is fixed focus. Because it's got such a small lens, the depth of field's fantastic. The sort of realistic ID ranges for this in ideal conditions, you're going to be IDing foxes between 220, 250 yards consistently, which for something that performs as well as this at this price point is absolutely fantastic. It's very, very light, comes with a wrist strap and also with a lanyard so you can wear it around your neck, and that's also quick detach so you can switch between the two. Price point for this is £1,169, which is a lot of performance for not a lot of dosh. Well thought out. You've got a USB cover on the top too.
Can you record through that, Ryan?
This one doesn't record. It's purely a stripped down, out and out spotter.